Let the harvesting begin. We got a lot of beans over here. They're so ready. Wow. Look at that. Oopsie, oh no. You know what? Nothing will go to waste. Yummy. Let's put it right there. Okay, I'm holding phone and I'm harvesting with my right hand. Okay, I probably need my tripod. Hold on. Okay, we're back. We are back. More beans. Let's go to the other side. I think I've dropped one. Yep, I did. And more beans over here. I really have a lot of beans right now in my hand. Okay, let's get the small bean. Let's get these beans. And one right here. Okay. Look at this. Lots and lots of beans. This one's getting really matured. We really need to harvest. We don't want it to seeds because it will stop producing. So most of the plants' goal are actually to provide seeds. So the longer you wait and the lesser you will harvest. So make sure that you always check your vegetables and you always harvest on time. So you will always have more vegetables to harvest if you do it that way. Okay, let me just double check this. This one is really bushy over here because of the corn. So I just want to make sure. Right, moving on. Get more beans down here. I'm starting to harvest the bush beans. So sometimes if the seeds are really big, what I do is I just steam the beans or boil them and eat it like edamame. They actually taste similar, if not better. I don't know, maybe I'm just being biased because I grew the beans, but they are always delicious. It's always tastes so much better compared to the beans from the store. That is for sure. Okay. These are kidney beans. And different kinds of beans actually. If you want to grow beans just like this and you want to save money on seeds, you should buy the beans from the store. So my video was cut. So what I was saying is, if you want to buy beans like seeds, you can just grab beans from the grocery and you can plant them. You will have different kinds of beans for $2, and it's a pound of beans, and this is what happened when you plant them. I got a lot of beans, so I actually sorted it, and oh my gosh, something is eating my beans. I don't know which animal. I don't think it's a bunny because it's a very small bite. Interesting. I'll just put this aside. Okay. And continue harvesting. Alright, let's just check. Just want to make sure we don't leave beans behind. Especially, so it looks like our beans are starting to slow down in production, the bush beans. I already harvested this multiple times. Been snacking. Oh, this one doesn't even have a seed. That's crazy. Okay. I already planted squash over here. So yeah, it's more like succession planting. And once the bush bean season is over, I can just remove these bush beans and my pumpkins will continue growing. Yeah, I don't know why some of the pods doesn't have seeds, but yeah, it's still good to check your beans every day. Actually, I check this every day. I was gonna say every now and then. Oh, look at this, the pink beans. Alright, this is what it looks like when it is seeding. It's already turning to a different color. See this? If it's hot and dry, it will be crunchy and you can just use the seeds. Alright, I will just put it there. See if we can find more. Okay, there you go. And another one over here. Okay. Do we have anything here? We have a really cute bean right here. That's delicious. It's very tasty. It's like so fresh. So fresh and crunchy. And there's some sweetness. It's really good. Okay, I guess this is still small, so I'm gonna let it be. Okay. Alright. I guess that's it for the beans, huh? For today. Or, hold on. Let me go ahead and check the mung beans. The mung beans looks really nice. Definitely has good pods and seeds inside. So I'm gonna wait for more days before I I'm gonna wait more days before I harvest these mung beans. I just want to make sure it's fully matured before I harvest them. Although it really looks matured, but I'll wait a day or two. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and harvest the corn. Whoop whoop. Right. Alright. Yep, perfect. Alright. It's definitely ready. I'm also gonna have to remove the outer husk because it got infested by aphids. Oh boy. Yep. That's alright. The inside's still good. And it's still delicious. Okay. I'm just gonna put the husk here. Yep, this one has a lot of aphids. Okay. looking good. Let me just adjust the camera so you can see everything. Awesome. Okay, this one's pretty nice. Pretty big as well. Alright. Move on to the next corn. That was easy. It's a baby corn. It's matured, but it's just small. Alright, let me just hold my phone. And let's get this one. Nice. Beautiful corn. Another one right here. Uh-oh. Looks like the entire plant wanna come. Alright, hold on. Alright, I was able to harvest that one. Okay. I will have to also clean the garden today. Very careful. I'm gonna try and do it off cam. Alright, I just finished cleaning up the corns, and I've got this much of corn. It's a lot of beans as well, and we're gonna move on and harvest some bok choy. We're gonna use this for dinner later. Okay. Just perfect. We have really beautiful bok choy and tatsoi. So I'm gonna harvest. I can't even. They are so beautiful. I don't even want to touch them. Oh my. Look at this. This little one bolted. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this one. Perfect. Beautiful. And this one as well. Nice. There should be plenty for just the two of us. Just me and my husband. Maybe another one. Okay. Just another one. Okay. I'm leaving the bottom because it's so early in the season and they still produce more leaves. This one looks really nice. Alright, I think that would be all for our harvest today. Alright, these are all harvest. These are all harvest today. Abundance. And thank you all for watching.